Hi everyone, Sanbonani Molweni. Welcome to Fix Channel. If you're new here, please subscribe before the end of the video. If you're returning, thank you for love and support. I appreciate you. Mangwabe is still absent. Omayeni no Makhumalo no Macele benze ishow okwesibili manje. Today bazobe kwenza i-episode yesithathu uMangwabe asemboni. Kwenzakalani ngoMangwabe? Uthando Nes'thembu, the latest news or mgosi, Mangwabe is no show. Fans and followers of Uthando Nes'thembu think Polygamist Musa Mseleku's fourth wife has already left him after she did not appear on the new talk show called Mangwabe. Mangwabe's no show on the new talk show left fans talking and worried. Guys, Mangwabe, she's a qualified nurse. Also, urana maqaqa lifestyle. Aphinde abe umama nekhumbuleti ufuna ukubonda nezingane zakhe. So asazi ukuthi iyiphi, maybe she's occupied ekliniki noma esibhedlela hospital. The promotional video posted by SABC showed Macele Mayeni Makhumalo Mangwabe missing. Fans noticed that Mangwabe is missing. So where is Mangwabe? Asazi because abasinikeze update. Asikaboni kuma-post ukuthi bayamfaka or basho something ukuthi ke ubusy sizombona. The wives of Musa Mseleku have a 13-episode talk show called Mangwabe. It started January on SABC 1, channel 161. Bakhuluma ngey'nkinga ezenzeka emakhaya ney'nkinga ezithinta abantu. If ikhona into ofisa ukuthi ukhulume ngayo, unga-SMSela kwinamba yabo or ungene kwipage bayaxoxa babeka imbono ehlukene. Uma ke uzo umbono ohlukile mhlawumbe uyathola ukusizakala kwenye indawo. Ngaphandle kwalokho, please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for your support. I love you and I appreciate you. Bye bye.